How to update your payment method on iPhone. If you need to update, change or remove your payment method on an iPhone, then you can simply follow these steps. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once inside the Settings app, all you have to do is tap on your name or Apple ID at the top and navigate to the Apple ID settings. Now here, scroll down and select Payment and Shipping option available there. Once you tap on the payment and shipping, you will be asked for your Apple ID password or authenticate your account with Face ID or Touch ID. Simply enter your password if needed and sign in at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do so, you'll be navigated to your payment section. So here, as you can see, I do not have any payment method available in my iPhone, but if you do, then you will get to see edit option available there, and you can simply add a new payment method or change the payment method order or update payment details or remove a payment method by tapping on the remove payment method option available there. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.